Hey guys, so it's Kimmerkazi. Decided to make a little tutorial video, I guess. Wasn't really planning on making something like this, but I realized since I found something that works for me, and I know it took me a little while to even find something that works to prevent, Vegas Pro from crashing during when you're video editing. So most of the settings that you'll see, I've already are like preset from other YouTuber. I forgot his name off the top of my head. I'll put his link in the description. He makes a ton of Vegas Pro tutorial guides that I use as a reference when editing. But like the issue was, I think I used one of his videos for helping with the Vegas Pro crash. That would happen when you're editing a video, but unfortunately, his fix didn't work. And it wasn't until I looked at it thinking it was one of his videos or another video that I was, Googling around for a fix for, I saw in the comments. So essentially, what you want to do is go to options and then go down to here to preferences and then click on video. And if you want, I'll keep it up for a little bit so you can get a good look. But yeah, essentially the comment was talking about change your dynamic RAM preview, and this is, I think, default was like 200 or 400. So I was like, well, I didn't really explain or much on what to set it to in that comment, but he said, just to change it, increase the number. And I think he said he put his like 4,000, but I don't know if he had only 8 gigabytes of RAM versus me. I have like 16 roughly, obviously 15, 308. I was like, well, fuck it, I'll just use half. So I just put half of my RAM, roughly 8,096. I don't know where that number came from, but I put that number there. And then, click apply. Okay. And that was it. And then I've done this. I did this about maybe a week or so ago, and I've made two, I think three, two videos now. I've had a few other videos I was working on, but I scrapped those. But I haven't had a single crash while editing videos. There's still some playback lag here and there in the preview display, but like other than that, dude, like not one crash. Usually I'd get like a one every 15 to 20, 30 minutes, maybe. Sometimes maybe one or two every hour. So I still constantly hit the little autosave button just because I'm paranoid. But I had no crashes so far, so I'm hoping this helps you out, helps you with your Vegas Pro issues. I'm sure it works with the newer versions. Obviously, I'm using Vegas Pro 15. But yeah, hope this helps. If this did help, please let me know in the comments below. If it did help and you enjoyed the video, then please, if you could, like the video, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be even better. I'm a new YouTuber, sort of trying to get shit out there. I don't plan on doing tutorial videos on Vegas Pro. I just had a really hard time finding something like this on YouTube to guide me and fix my issue with crashing. So again, thanks.